What causes the bad odor in ear piercing holes?
Hey there! Have you ever noticed an unpleasant smell coming from your ear piercings? Well, you're not alone. Many people with ear piercings have experienced this at some point. Today, we're going to delve into what causes this bad odor and how you can prevent it.
Why do ear piercing holes smell?
Ear piercing holes can sometimes emit a foul odor due to a combination of skin cells, hair product residue, dead skin, sweat, and bacteria that accumulate in the piercing hole. You see, our bodies continuously produce new skin cells, and the old ones naturally slough off. But when you have an ear piercing, these old skin cells can get trapped around and inside the hole, creating a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Moreover, when you sweat, the moisture can make the area around your piercing even more suitable for bacterial growth. Bacteria and other microorganisms feast on the mixture of sweat, dead skin cells, and hair product residues, and as they break down these substances, they produce a foul smell, similar to the stench of rotting food.
Is the odor a sign of infection?
Although the odor from an ear piercing can be unpleasant, it is not always a sign of an infection. Infections usually come with other symptoms such as redness, swelling, pain, and pus. However, if your piercing is new and you notice an unpleasant smell accompanied by these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice as soon as possible to prevent complications.
How can you prevent the bad odor?
Now, let's discuss how you can keep your ear piercings clean and odor-free. Regular cleaning. Regularly cleaning your ear piercings can help prevent the buildup of dead skin cells, sweat, and hair product residues. Use a saline solution or a mild soap with warm water to clean around your piercing daily. Good hygiene. Maintaining good overall hygiene is important as well. Ensure that you wash your hair regularly and try to keep hair products away from your ear piercings as much as possible. Quality jewelry. Lastly, use quality jewelry for your piercings. Cheaper metals can react with your skin and increase the likelihood of an unpleasant smell. Opt for high-quality materials like stainless steel, titanium, or gold. There you have it. That unpleasant smell from your ear piercing holes is mainly due to a buildup of dead skin cells, sweat, and bacteria. Regular cleaning, good hygiene, and quality jewelry can help prevent this. If you suspect an infection, remember to seek medical attention immediately. Hope this video has been informative and helpful to you. Keep those ear piercings fresh and happy.